Hi, by now you've seen the introduction on the gate latch cables, so what I wanted to do now is show you a little comparison between the time it takes to install an ordinary spring on a gate latch versus the time it takes to install the gate latch cable. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to press my stopwatch and it's going right now. First thing you do is thread the string through the hole till it comes out the other side, and then you pull it, put it through the hole on the gate latch. This one bunched up, but wait a minute. There we go, I got it through. Straighten that out. Okay, and then you tie it in a square knot. I didn't mean for that to bunch up, but it actually did. And I should have had my pocket knife out, but I'll go ahead and get it out quickly. And we'll cut that string off. Okay, and now that we have that through there, the next thing we typically do is pound a nail into the back of the 4x4 post and tie the string around it about there. And again, a square knot. Well, that's done. Cut off the excess. And then pound the nail in the rest of the way. A little bit more. And there you have a traditional spring type gate latch pull. Okay, and that took 1 minute and 46 seconds. So maybe we subtract 6 seconds for the time it took me to pull the pocket knife out and the bunching up of the string. So you're looking at 1 minute and 40 seconds. Okay, let's go ahead and do the same thing with the gate latch cable and see how long that takes. Get my parts together here. Okay, I'm going to press the stopwatch. I'm going to put it through the hole. I'm going to put on the spring cup. I'm going to put on the spring. I'm going to put it over the latch, pull it out, slide it down over the hole, and 16 seconds. So you can see that it's very easy to install, and hope you enjoyed the race there between the string and the stainless steel gate latch cable.